Hello everyone, welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda and today I will be preparing for you baked oxtail. If you want to see how this is prepared, then continue watching. Okay, I have 2 packs of oxtail. They have already been washed with vinegar and water and seasoned. The ingredients are on the left. Okay, I'm doing some chicken wings for my daughter because she does not like the oxtail, so I seasoned some chicken wings at the same time. And I'm going to throw them into the oven as well. Okay, now with the oxtail, I'm going to give them a little frying just to get a little coating on the sides. So I'm adding 1 cup of oil to this pan. The chicken wings are going into the oven. Just adding some foil to that pan. Aluminum foil. All right, there you go. 350 degrees. That's going to be in there for about 20-25 minutes also. Okay, now I'm going to start to fry. Each piece is going to stay on. They're going to get a turning over after frying for about 30 seconds or so on each side. They're not going to be all the way done now. Now this is oxtail, so it has to cook. Okay, good old oxtail. So I'm not using a pressure cooker today. These are going to be baked. Okay, that's the first batch. All right, this will be faster. That's beef, oxtail. All finished. Now I'm going to put all of that goodness over the oxtail, every bit, juice and all over it. That's going to make it tender, soft, nice, delicious. Just add a lot of herbs and it will give you nice, tender, juicy oxtail. Whether you're doing it like this or you are making curry or steam, just add a lot of herbs all over it, just like that. Yes, then I'm putting some foil and into the oven. Okay, this is after 30 minutes or so. I'm just making the mixture. The ingredients are on the left. Using the water from the oxtail, all of that juice. This is hot and it smells great. Tomato paste, browning, sugar and water. All of that is going to be poured into this container with the tomato paste and the browning. A little bit of sugar. That's to set off all of those seasonings so you won't get an upset stomach. That's why I add a little sugar every now and then. All right, all of that good stuff. Now that's a lot of fat, so I'm gonna have to turn that off. That is a lot of oil coming from the oxtail. Look at it. I'm gonna skim that off. Okay, that's what I need there. And now I'm going to add some water to that. Mix that together before adding the water, because everything is at the bottom. That's my mixture for the oxtail. About half a cup of water. So I'm going to spoon this over the oxtail, all over them. Good mixing. Just adding a little bit of cornstarch, about a half a teaspoon, just to thicken it a bit. All right, that should do it. Give that a good mixing. That's gonna go all over the oxtails. This is gonna be something else. Oh my word. Now you can also add a little extra seasoning to this liquid. Okay, all over the oxtails, just like that. These are going to be so nice and juicy. So I'm going to put these back in the oven with the cover on, with the foil on them, and just let them do its thing. So I'm still bringing the restaurant home now. I am still bringing it home, doing my best. All I can do is do my best. The Lord will do the rest. All over them. Just like that. Okay, this is Bahamian cooking. Oh my word. Give this little piece a test. All right. So I'm just basting them. I just sprinkled a little bit more of the garlic salt over them, and now I'm basting them just on the top. Mix that through. Okay, now it's ready for the foil again. This is going to do the thing, and let it go for the next 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are fork tender. You can pull apart easily with your fork. The oven is on 350. Now this is the first check for the wings. I'm gonna baste those. Okay. This is the only way they're gonna get a nice brown color once you keep basting them, and they would be juicy. You just can't leave them in there and don't do anything. Nope. You gotta work the gravy, work the sauce. These were also seasoned with the same ingredients as the oxtail. Everything will be listed in the description box below. These are just chicken wings. That's a signal. So I'm gonna put these back in uncovered. Oxtail, there you have it. That's oxtail. They are ready. Oh my word, look at them. Whew. And I will be serving these with corned beef and rice and a nice garden salad. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.